Hello, I'm Piyush Sharma, FTCS 276, and today we are going to use database in web technology, uh, like which is database connection and cookies. Then, so basically, what we are going to do here is we are going to connect a web page to a database and display, and we are going to store the table inside the thing. Like we are going to store the table, so the values which insert inside the table will be displayed to us. Okay, so let us begin. So this is our web client. This is known as FileZilla. With the help of FileZilla, we are using it. Now you have to log in. You have to give webtech.current.ads host, username as your registration number, and password again as your registration number. And then you give quick connect. Now I've already made these two files, which is login.php and page1.php. I'll show you in my NetBeans what are the two pages I've made. So this is the login.php. This is the name.php. So here I'm giving the first thing is give meta character and subtitle. Then I'm giving body here. So body login page from action is due to name.php. Method is post. I'm creating a form here, which is username break input type text name user. It'll give me a dialog box, and then password input type text name pass input type is submit, and then I have to submit and log in inside it. Now this is the page. Welcome Piyush. So add the server local host username FTCS276. Then connect MySQL IE underscore connect. This is used to connect to a database. Server name, username, password, and database. Or die connection error. If not connected, then it will show connection error. Echo connection successful. Now I'm creating a new variable u and g. Uh, in u I'm passing user, and in g I'm passing a password. Then Q2 insert into login one values. Here I'm going to insert into login one, which is the name of the table here. U and P. So R2 is my SQL query. Connect to Q2. So these two lines are very necessary to make changes inside the table. Now again select star. First we are putting the values inside the table, and then secondly we are displaying all the values which are already inserted inside the table. For that we are using the query select star from login one, and my SQLi underscore query connect. With the help of this line you can connect to the table so that the changes are updated regularly accordingly to the table. Then echo table border, and then we are displaying the whole table here, and we are using a loop here while MySQLi fetch row r1, so that the row exists. When the row exists, it will search for it and display it. Echo table data row 0 to row 1, and it will go on, and that's it. So here, as I told you, after logging inside this thing, which is FileZilla, you'll give experiment 9. I've already, and then you have to create a new directory here. And as you can see, I've already made a new directory named E9, and you have to paste it here, the files which have been made. Then after pasting, go to this thing, type webtech.karna.edu slash your registration number slash what is the name of the database you have given here, name of the directory you have given here, which is E9 page1.php, the name of the page, which is page1.php. And then after this, if I give enter, it'll show this thing login page, and it'll ask me to enter the username and password. I can give the username as anything. I can give it as a 255, and Karna. So here, these are all the details which have been already entered inside the table, which is like first is view and with the accord with the given passwords, and the last thing which I inserted now is your 15 CS255 and password was Karna. So this is how you link a database to web web tech to web pages, and how you make changes and all, and you can display all the table respectfully.